Everyone, thank you for joining me today as we explore the groundbreaking contributions of Antoine Lavoisier. Known as the father of modern chemistry, Lavoisier transformed our understanding of science, and his legacy continues to shape the field to this day. Let's dive into his remarkable journey. Antoine Lavoisier was born in Paris in 1743. Even as a young boy, he showed a strong curiosity for science. Interestingly, he first pursued a law degree but soon realized his true passion lay elsewhere. After excelling at the prestigious Collège Mazarin, Lavoisier became a member of the French Academy of Sciences. His early work spanned geology, meteorology, and chemistry, where he studied the composition of air, water, and other natural phenomena. Lavoisier's most famous contribution to science was the discovery of the law of conservation of mass. Through precise and meticulous experiments, he demonstrated that in any chemical reaction, the total mass of reactants is always equal to the total mass of products. This principle revolutionized chemistry and is still a cornerstone of the field. To advance his research, Lavoisier developed innovative methods for measuring gases. Using mercury-filled graduated tubes and other instruments, he was able to analyze gases with remarkable accuracy. This allowed him to uncover new insights about their properties and roles in chemical reactions. One of Lavoisier's most pivotal contributions was his groundbreaking work on combustion. At the time, the prevailing phlogiston theory suggested that a mysterious substance was released during combustion. However, Lavoisier disproved this by showing that combustion is actually a chemical reaction with oxygen. This discovery not only overturned old theories but also laid the foundation for modern chemical understanding. Lavoisier didn't stop there. He recognized that chemistry lacked a clear and logical naming system. So, he proposed a systematic nomenclature based on elements and their properties. This was a game-changer, as it provided chemists with a universal language that made communication and collaboration much easier. In fact, this system is still in use today. Lavoisier's work truly transformed the field of chemistry. He didn't just make discoveries, he changed how science is done. By emphasizing rigorous experimentation and quantitative analysis, he ushered in a new era of scientific inquiry. His principles, such as the law of conservation of mass, continue to serve as foundational concepts in modern chemistry. Finally, Lavoisier's legacy extends far beyond his discoveries. He is rightly called the father of modern chemistry because his work established the methods and principles that scientists rely on even now. His emphasis on careful observation and experimentation influenced not just chemistry, but the scientific method itself. And while he lived over 200 years ago, his groundbreaking insights still inspire and guide scientific exploration today. Thank you for your time. I hope this journey into Antoine Lavoisier's life and work has given you a deeper appreciation for the incredible impact he had on science and the world as a whole.